Hi everyone, welcome back to the next class. So today we are going to discuss a good topic, the present system of income tax in India and the components of income tax in India. So here income tax is the most important for the government to generate the revenue from direct or indirect sources. Why these income tax they generate revenue we discussed in the previous class already. Under the Constitution of India, central government has been empowered by the entry number 82 of List 1, known as Union List, to leave and collect the income tax. We follow the present form of Income Tax Act 1961, and from 1st April 1962 it has came in force. From 1962 will be applicable. So Act is a 1961. This is the present system we are following. Then here the components. These are the 5 components, very important. We will discuss in detail in the next slide. You observe this table, Income Tax Act 1961, which consists of 298 schedules and sections, 298 sections and 14 schedules, and Income Tax Rule 1962. And here in these Income Tax 1962 rules, amendments up to date we have to follow. Annual Finance Act, that is changes in amendments by year to year. Circulars or notification issued by Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is the 4th component. And legal decisions of the court, that is Supreme Court or at the national level and High Court at a state level. These are the 5 components, very important and most important components for the income tax. And coming to details of the component 1, that is Income Tax Act 1961. The collection of income tax in India is governed by the Income Tax Act 1961. According to 1961 Act, only we are collecting the income tax from the general public or from salary people directly or indirectly. And this act says that it contains 298 sections and 14 schedules are there, and every year some additions or deletions are made according to that, and it should be approved by the Finance Act in the Parliament. So this is also one of the important component. Then second component, that is Income Tax Rules 1962. Okay, in these income tax, the administration of direct taxes is looked after by the Central Board of Direct Taxes, and it has a chairman and 6 members will be there. The chairman will be called with a designation also there, that is special secretary to government, and 6 members will be designated with additional secretary to government. These 6 members are the expert and sound knowledge at their domain. The first from the income tax department, he is sound at income tax, and second from legislature and computerization, third from the revenue department, fourth from personnel and vigilance, and fifth from investigation, sixth from audit and judiciary departments. And their appointment, and they are appointed by the Indian Revenue Services. How far these IAS and IPS will be selected in the same manner, they will be selected for the income tax department. And those who are sound at knowledge and those who apply their skills completely, they will be selected for these income tax rule 1962. And these 6 members including chairman, they are the key person and they play a very much key role for the income tax department. The next component is here Annual Finance Act. Every year the Central Finance Minister of India presents the budget in the Parliament. It contains Part A and Part B. In Part A, the proposed policies of the government in fiscal areas. In Part B, it contains the detailed tax proposals. In order to implement Part A and Part B, the finance bill is introduced in the Parliament. When the introduction of these Part A and Part B are there, at that time the few recommendations or suggestions will be asked from the ruling government, and the opponent government also, they will give some recommendations and suggestions which is convenient for the public and which is helpful for the common man, for the welfare of India. They will take the recommendation suggestions and they will implement in their bill. Once the bill is approved by the Parliament, then automatically it will be sent to the President of India for the becoming a finance act. When the President of India give his assent, then automatically it is a finance act. Then the present assessment year is here 2020 2021. The previous year we call it as a finance year, that is 2019 2020. You know that is a 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020, that is a finance year. So this is about finance act, annual finance act. This is also important component. The next component is here, then regarding notifications, circulars issued by the Central Board of Direct Taxes. Central Board of Direct Taxes is a governing body which issues notifications and circulars for the useful for the common man, and these notifications and circulars should be obeyed by the departments, officers and assessees time to time to overcome all the problems which are faced by the common man, departments, officers. The next one here, the last component is here, legal decisions of the court. It is not important, it is not possible in the parliament to handle and provide all the possible issues that may arise for the implementation of any act. And then the judiciary will hear the disputes between the assessee and the department. So here coming to the discussion which are arises in the parliament, each and every decision, each and every affair, each and every problem, it is not possible to handle in the parliament. Then the legal decisions of the court we call, okay, any problem you face, you can file a case in the Supreme Court or High Court at the state level and at the national level. Then here the judiciary will hear the disputes between assessee and the department, and it gives a judgment. Once the Supreme Court gives the judgment, then it should be obeyed by the state, districts or India. Why? Because Supreme Court is the apex court in India, and we have to obey the rules and regulations not only by the individual assessee, by the appellate tribunals and income tax authorities also. So these are the components which will help for effective running of the income tax department, as well as, and these five components are they are helpful for the common man at the time of filing their income tax. So we can we have to keep in our mind these five components. So thank you for today's class. Those who are not subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel Fine Telangana for latest updates and good information. So we can see in the next class. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.